Hi there, Dumelang Sanbonani, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ntazi Rapito, and I'd like to welcome you. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for the support. And if you are new, please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because on this YouTube channel we focus on education, fitness, and faith. And please do not forget to click the notification bell so that all the time when I upload, you are the first one to see what is what. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And please don't forget to comment down below, and also share with your friends, with your study partners, because here we are helping each other. We all want to be a student and we all want to pass very well, right? So on this YouTube video, it's all about unboxing the study material that I have received. So here is the thing. I registered on the 9th of January, yes, and then after that, on the 25th of January, I registered again because I wanted to minimize the modules that I had chosen, right? Because I've realized that it's going to be a hectic year. I might not have time to do my practicals, so I had to exclude those practical modules that I was supposed to do this year for my third level. And then after that, I received an SMS on the 7th of February. That is when my application was finalized. And then a week after that, that is whereby I received a call from a delivery guy. I was not home, and he called me an hour before he came. And then from then, I had to ask someone who was at home to take those study material for me, to sign them so that I can have them, right? So that's what happened. Study material was delivered, and I haven't started studying yet because my modules are year modules. So actually, year modules, the closing date is supposed to be, let me check this. So for my year modules, the closing date for year modules is on the 9th of March. So which means that obviously my assignments they start from there. Like my first assignment, it's due on the 22nd of March. So I already noted that, sorted, I'm ready. So let me quickly show you my study materials that I have received. So here is my study material, right? Surely you guys are familiar with this packaging. I see people have been complaining about them receiving not yet receiving they have not yet received the study material, right? So my advice is that if you have not received your study material, it's not a train smash. What you have to do is to download your study material online, because that comprises of your tutorial letter 101 and also study guides. So you can find them online either way, even if your materials are not delivered. So that should not be the reason for you to not start studying. Note that. So as I've mentioned that I'm receiving these are my third year study materials, and I have successfully registered for only 7 modules. But 2 of them are my second year modules. So here's what happened. On my first year, I registered 7. And then it means that I had 3 behind. Second year, I took those 3 and then I did my second year modules. So right now I have registered 7, which means that 2 are second year modules and 5 it's my third year modules, right? So that's what's up. So let me show you. So this here are my modules. I'm not sure if you can see this. I'm registered for CIC 2601, CUS 3701, INC 3701, INF 1511, INF 1520, which is my second year, and ISC 3701, PED 3701. And I'm also aware that INS and CUS, those are the only ones whereby I have to get prescribed books for that. So this is what we have. This is the study guide for psychology of education, which is PED 3701. And then this one we have curriculum studies, which is CUS 3701. And here we have inclusive education, which is INC 3701. Oh, I'm happy, guys, that I've received my study material, in fact, because I prefer studying hard copy, unlike through my laptop, PDF, and everything else. So I'm very much excited because last year it happened that I registered for 10 modules in my second year, right? So what happened was that I only received like maybe three study material, 3 study guides for 3 modules out of 10. And then the rest, I didn't have a choice but to download. But this time around, I have all my 7 study guides, hard copy. I feel that now I'm genuinely studying, Inclusive teaching and learning for South Africa, INC 3701. Computer integration in the classroom, CIC 2601. Then we have instructional studies in context, ISC 3701. So at this present moment, I am very much happy and very much excited. And on that note, I also wanted to show you guys that these are some of the things that I got. I got myself this colored pens, which I like to use, and highlighters. Obviously, I need them here and there. And this is the 5-piece color flags. So color flags, it's a matter of I take one flag and then I know that I paste it here, and then things become very much easy when I have this color flags, right? They are available everywhere. I got them from Pick and Pay, but yeah, they are available. And then I have 7 exercise books here. So for each and every module, I have the exercise book. So this is what I use when I prepare for my assignments. I write here. After I study, I write inside, and so on and so forth. So these are my study materials that I'm going to use for this year. So we have come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to comment. Tell me, did you receive your study material in time? Are you happy with everything and all of that? So I will see you next time in my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and up until we see each other next time, I like to wish you nothing but the best. Learning is not easy, but we can make it fun. We can make it fun. We must enjoy it, because remember that it is a journey, right? So there is no need for you to just be stressed about when am I finishing, but it's a matter of put your best foot forward, make sure that you focus, and then other than that, everything will just fall in place automatically if you do what is right. So thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. I love you guys very much. I wish you nothing but the best. So until we see each other next time, ciao.